after me go up on the girl bumbo clock live today, no? Yeah? After me go up on the little Bonnie, behave yourself, man. Jesus Christ, me no want to get out of hand. After me go up on the little dirty girl live today, and me go figure talk my mind, and me go over there go see her sweat like a dog, you know. So me comment and me say, what a way me have you sweating. Just because me say you're a hypocrite. And me unfollow you, you take it to heart, and you over your class me and the moderator block me. She tell the moderator don't block me because me end up jump on my backup page for her. So I realize when they unblock me, so I go back on my page and by the time I forgot type two things again, they block me again. Now I see screen record and me drop my comment. The little dirty girl comment. This all long time germs girl yeah. Look at ignificant cockroach retail drunk. I go comment and I go reply to my comment on our backup page. Dirty frownsy girl. Why? Let me see. Because I don't want 12 o'clock catch me pan it and I'm sitting a roll over and a dirty girl. Why you never unblock me off for your bigger page and come for me? 12 o'clock yet. At level 56. Why you never come for me for your backup page? For your real main page, you come for me for your backup page now. You go live and somebody drop a record and me comment. Why you reply to me for look at dirty girl? With me a sin. If me argue with you a sin, because I don't want God sin me for man. If me a get sin, me forget sin for something what me do wrong. Me can't want argue with other girl for man. Cocky of his share. And y'all alone go fuck that man there. Cock must share. And y'all alone sit down panic because you don't have a golden old pussy. Me sure of that. That's why the man have to fuck pa. You go like you have a golden Dubai throat. Hey girl, go ring out the deepest part of your mother, your whole generation. Level 58, I'm a payment of a rollover. Bye.